Gen Xiaozhi Xue Fayu Nimen Hao Dajia Hao. So today let's review together the song Te. First exercise, I will show you the words, I will tell you the words and you tell me if yes or no, oui ou non, there is the Te sounds. Okay, first one here. Voiture, voiture. Do you have the Te, voiture? Oui, non. Oui, voiture, second word. Ordinateur, ordinateur. Oui, non. Do you have the Te sound? Ordinateur. Oui, third one. Chameau, chameau. Do you have the Te in chameau? Non. Next one. Triangle, triangle. Do you have the Te? Oui. Next one. Dragon, dragon. Do you have the Te? Non. Next one. Dauphin, dauphin. Do you have Te? Dauphin. Non. Crocodile, crocodile. Do you have Te? Crocodile. Non. Next one. Jardin, jardin. Do you have Te? Non. Next one. Cadeau, cadeau. Do you have Te? Non. Next one. Château, château. Do you have Te? Oui, château. Next one. Cartable, cartable. Te? Oui, cartable. Oui. Pirate, pirate. Oui, pirate. Okay. Next exercise. Tell me in which part of the word do you hear the Te sound? So first word. Bateau, bateau. Here or here? Here, yes, well done. Second word. Tracteur, tracteur. Here or here? Here, ter, oui. Radiateur, radiateur. Where do you hear the Te? Here, yes, oui. Épouvantail, épouvantail. Where do you hear Te? Épouvantail. Here, oui. Next one. Trésor, trésor. Where do you hear the Te? Here, yes, trésor. Next one. Pantalon, pantalon. Where do you hear the Te? Here, yes, pantalon. Next one. Stylo, stylo. Where do you hear the Te? Here, yes, Te. Stylo. Last one. Ordinateur. Where can you hear the Te? Ordinateur. Here, here, here. Yes, here, ordinateur. Yes, oui, très bien. So next exercise. Now I'm going to tell you, so here you can see, tu, tru, tu, tur. I'm going to tell you one of these and you need to point out which one is it. Okay. Tu. Yes, ici, tu, yes, the next one. Tu. Tu. Here, ici, oui, tu. Next one. Te. Te. Oui, ici, te. Ti. Ti. Ici, oui, ti. Next one. Til. Til. Ici, oui, très bien. Next one. Tri. Tri. Ici, oui, très bien. Tôt. Tôt. Tôt, oui, ici. Next one here. Ta. Ta. Ici, oui, joli. Hein? Next one. Tard. Tard. Ici, oui. And the next one. Tout. Tout. Ici, oui, 非常好，谢谢大家，再见，au revoir.